abakristayo bashabirwa kugumana basima Ruhanga n'abantu banyuma yo kutunga heba kuba bacenere aha kuba Ruhanga tarebura kubongera ebindi bitu ebarkwetenga ebyona bugambire Right Reverend Professor Dr. Grace Rubare or Bishop wa Busoga Diocese hamwe na Right Reverend Johnson Twinomjuni Bishop wa Western Korea Diocese babiri bari aha mukoro go kusima Ruhanga ogwa Presidential Initiative on Banana Industrial Development PEBID aho babiri n'abasima ahabo kumara emyaka 20 umubahereza.
It is the ability to translate knowledge into practice and have tangible results like this banana plant. Glad for the Lord in the ground. This banana plant. So this PhD on Oteyamusa, we have results. You are all employed. We have also come from Soga to be here because somebody has put a tangible project.
Allow me also to appraise you on our products and commercial performance. We have significantly progressed in the production and commercialization of banana-based products, processing over 1.1 million kg fresh banana. For banana chips, achieving approximately 90%.
Aha mukuru ngugumwe mukuru wa PEBID Professor Florence Muranga asimirwe ahabo koresa obukugu obyashomere kandi akabuteka mu nkora aho ihanga ryo ndaganyurwamo banyuma yo kutungura factory y'ebitoki.
We are created for usefulness. And say it in a short form, you are here to add value. And that's one of the reasons why I really thank the Lord for you. That you have added value. Adding value to Matoke. As I walked here with my brother, he said, we used to know Matoke for peeling and cooking and eating, and that's it.
Reverend Professor Florence Muranga we asimira abahinji b'ebitoki ahabo kubaha obushagiki ekyo babasize kukora ebine kukora.
In particular, we recognize our cooperative farmers who supply us with Matoke and play a critical role in connecting the farm to our processing facility and ultimately to the consumer. Allow me here to reiterate that most of the development you are seeing in the community have been informed by this segment of people.
Niza kwegesa abantu ombyanga byitu ebiturumu kurebeka ngu twakorera hamwe twatunga emirimo abakwata emirimo yarebeka hati eki nikija kureta abantu bingi. Excellence Yoweri Kaguta Museveni watandikire egi factory akaranzya ngu ankore sub region burka eyine orutoki burka eyine ebitoki kandi ombwe bwo kugira ngu ombwire bwo misho kubantu ntubuguza sente nke hati nyoni ndebe egi factory yatandikire ngo professor ngo kuyagigamba bakore tractors bizere basayiningire nzuyiza kushanga ngu ebitoki byiza kuba byina katare kamano munonga.
Gasha Kurivya na Sasuru Murobushenyi.